Hello friends. In today's class, we are going to talk about the different ways in which a parameter can be passed to a function. Welcome again, and here we are discussing this topic called parameter passing. Okay, let me read it out and then I'll explain what exactly does it mean. So when one procedure is called another, the usual method of communication, okay, the first term is communication between them is through the non-local names and through parameter of the call procedure. Okay, so the non-local names and the parameter of the call procedure. Okay, now several common methods. So we when the two procedures, when one procedure is called, there are two procedures which are interacting with each other. Okay, so two procedures are interacting with each other. Okay, so now the communication between them is through non-local names and through the parameter of the call procedure. Several common methods associated for associating actual and the formal parameter discussed in this section. So there's okay. So for example, you can say that there is a main function, and suppose I take a variable int a equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and I call a function, let's say foo a comma b. And then this is the foo function which take that int c and int d. Okay, int c and int d, and some manipulations are there. So several common methods for associating actual parameter, which is actual parameter is what this part is called as your actual parameter. A and b is your actual parameter, and this c and d is basically your formal parameter. Okay, so that is your formal parameter. So to associate, there are so many different methods are there, and they are called as you're called by value, called by reference, copy restore, and called by name, and macro expansion. It is important to know that parameter method a language uses is because the result of the program may depend upon the method used. Okay, so it is important to know that parameter passing method a language uses because what parameter passing the language is using, because it will affect your what output of the or final output of the program. Okay, the reason of this using different parameter passing mechanism is, one reason is the interpretation. Okay, so interpretation. So interpretations for a statement, there can be different ways of interpreting, and the different ways of interpretation, okay, like different ways of interpretation lead into different ways of parameter passing. So now from the next section onwards, we'll see this values, call by value, call by reference, call by copy restore, and call by name in detail. Okay, so that's all for this. Thank you.